Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Separate containers help reduce fridge cross-contamination by keeping raw foods apart from ready-to-eat items. But they aren't foolproof. Leaks and spills can still spread bacteria. For the safest storage, combine containers with proper fridge organization, regular cleaning, and temperature control.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.